श्रीमान् वेङ्कटनाथार्यः कवितार्किककेसरी वेदान्ताचार्यवर्यो मे सन्निधत्ताम् सदा हृदि स्वादयन्निह सर्वेषाम् त्रय्यन्तार्थम् सुदुर्ग्रहम् स्तोत्रयामास योगीन्द्रः तम् वन्दे यामुनाह्वयम् नमो नमो यामुनाय यामुनाय नमो नमः नमो नमो यामुनाय यामुनाय नमो नमः यत्पदाम्भोरुहध्यान विध्वस्ताशेषकल्मषः वस्तुतामुपयातोऽहम् यामुनेयम् नमामि तम्
श्रीमत्कृष्ण समाह्वाय नमो यामुनसूनवे यत्कटाक्ष एकलक्ष्याणाम् सुलभः श्रीधरः सदा नमः यामुन पाद अब्ज रेणुभिः पावित आत्मने विदित अखिल वेद्याय गुरवे विदित आत्मने नमः अचिन्त्य अद्भुत अक्लिष्ट ज्ञान वैराग्य राशये नाथाय मुनये अगाध भगवत भक्ति सिंधवे. So I think Avatarika also we must go through. So the introduction is Bhavantam Ityadi Kirtanne Swarupa Rupa Guna Vibhutigala Purnanai. This is what we already saw. We have been we have got detailed account of what Swarupa is, Rupa is, Guna is, and Vibhuti. So Nitya Vibhuti ile Korevara Endurilirukira Devare. In Vaikuntham also, he has no flaw. But how can you imagine a God with the flaw? That's also there. If there is a God with the flaw, then we won't approach the God. Bhashya Manorathangalai Tavindu. Bhashya is worldly. Outer meaning worldly desire. Manorathangal desire. So our wishes which connect with this world or any other desire other than God's thought. Ennude satyalulla prayojanam perumbadi. What is the use of my existence? So I must have purposeful life. I must have a living with aim. So my life will be supported completely only by surrender to God and only by making Him happy, very happy. So my purpose of living should be serving Him forever. In that way I must do. Nyasa Dashakam of Vedanta Deshika say, Dosha Rahita Kankarya. In other words, I'll just see Akrityanam Chakaranam, Krityanam Madhananchane, Kamattadeva Nikila Pranatapya Prabhu, Shiman Neta Panjam, Neta Dehavasane, Mam Tatpadam Prapesam, Tatchakam, Tatpatya, Nishiddha Kamya Rahitam. Nishiddha Kamya Rahitam. Kurumam Nitya Kinkaram. Nishiddha Kamya Rahitam. There are some desires which are genuine, which are to be accepted. But only those desires which are banned by the scriptures must be avoided. So, Nishiddha Kamya Rahitam. I must be without the kamya, meaning expecting any fruit from my action. That is why we repeat the same word of Bhagavad Gita, karmanyevadhikaraste ma phaletu kadachana. That is what we call kamya karma. We wish some consequences of our action. I don't know, consequence is not, I hope, negative. We want some result. So we are not to expect anything. So as we say, Kayena Vacha, Narayana Eti Samarpayami, so also Satvika Tyana. I am not doing it, he is doing it for his pleasure, for Varthika Prayojana. Sab Prayojana. He is doing it for his own pleasure, and therefore, so when shall I make the Lord happy? Muhappipadu Endru. So that means, as we already saw, the service in this world is not complete. Whatever we do, whatever sincerity we do, faithfulness, the service is not full, 100% correct here. Therefore, in Vaikuntham that will become complete. Therefore, when shall I reach the Vaikuntham? See, that's the exact practical request. So we go to the Vyakya. So Bhavantam. So we remind ourselves that Lord is addressed by Yamunacharya when as he is present before him. As he is present before. Bhavantam is a respectful word. You can also say to the Lord, Twam, you. Here is a respectable you. It is not available in English. Honorable you. So, Swarupa Rupa Guna Vibhavaihi. Paripurna. So, we also saw that the previous introduction also contained the same extra word with Vibhavai. Vibhavaha is rich. Vibhavaha is rich. All his actions are rich. All his actions are festivities. Almost like festivals. Nitya Vibhava. Nitya Vibhava. All the time, all through the year, he has got Vibhava. Anything pompous, not for showing, but always what you call involving a lot of arrangements. Lot of arrangements. So whatever he does will be full of richness. So Paripurnam is complete. He is totally full. So Inbam Payaka endru Todangi. Now my methodology today, I want to change it over to that ABCD under the notes. And we will take up that also while we will jump from this and that. Inbam Payakka in the Todangi, A is there. So let us see what is A under footnote. And then again another A is there. That's what I want to say. Taalhindra Engal Piran. What are the two A's? And then we go to the B. And what is B? Tanakkeyaha enai kollumide. So what does the footnote say? If it is a quotation from the Divya Prabandham, then why not we take it up immediately after this word? Inbam Payakka, all Hindra Engal Piran. Can we do that? Can we take up the Tiruvazhimozhi quotation while, right. So if we see this, then we will understand more then and there. we want to understand then and there. Otherwise, if you see the quotation at the last part of the page, then we will forget what we saw earlier. So, Inbam Payakka, that is the first word. Second part, second line, you have Engal Piran, but all hindra Engal Piran. Okay, all hindra Engal Piran. These are given in parts in the commentary of Periyavachan. He knows by heart, but we don't know. For Inbam Payakke, Ezhil Malar Madaram, Thanum Ezhulai, Inbam Payakke, Inidudan Vittirundu, Aalgindra Engal Piran, Anbutru Amarndu Uraiginran, Anipozhil, Chultiruvaran Velai, Ambuttramarndu, Valam Seidu, Kaitolum Nalhalum, Ahum Kolo. Tiruvaran Velai is one of the 13 Kerala Kshetras. Kerala, it is available in Kerala. Tiruvaran Velai. We don't even know the meaning of the word Tiruvaran Velai. You will see it in the Prativati Bhayangaram Annangiracharya's commentary. Let us take it later, after we take the first two lines. So, what is the purpose of the Lord? Inbam Payakka. He wants to make himself happy. He wants to make the consorts happy. Ezhil Malar Madaram. Malar Madaram, Malar, flower. So we are talking about Mahalakshmi. And also Bhuma Devi. You can also add Neela Devi. I would also like to have Paduka Devi. You can also add Vaijayanti, Mala, Tulasi Devi. So you can also, that means plural, Madaram is plural. Ezhil Malar Madaram. All the flowers are beautiful. All the wives of Lord are beautiful. So they also become happy. Inbam Payakka. And this is where Vadagalai Sampradaya is indicated. So Madarum Thanum Vivevalahe Inbam Payakka. The duty of the goddesses also is to make all the 7 worlds happy. They have the share in the duty between the Lord and the consorts. So they must also, along with him, make all the 7 worlds happy. So we are talking about the 7 worlds. Why? No, the other 7 worlds are little negative. So Atala, Vitala, Sutala, Patala, Dharatala, and so on. These are the 7 other worlds. 7 actually nether worlds. So upper 7 worlds, lower 7 worlds. So we are talking about, so once we, of course, we say 7 worlds, we also, he also keeps the demons also happy. That also you must remember. So demons are also happy. And only God's devas are not happy all the time. Unless they are unhappy, they will not even think of God. They will have ahankara, mamakara and so on. Egoism and sense of possession. Even now they do. They never correct themselves. They don't think all the time that they are slaves of Sriman Narayana. Sometimes all their egoism crops up in their mind. Everybody thinks that he is a leader. Varuna Bhagavan, for example, rain. The rain god thinks that he is very powerful. And already we have the quotations from scripture that fire, wind, everything was haughty. Every god was haughty. And they were tested. They failed miserably. And therefore, but they are also made happy. So Madaram Tanum. So Lord Sriman Narayana doesn't keep to himself the duty of making the world, 7 worlds happy. So Madaram Tanum. So he also gives what you call distribution of powers. He distributes the powers to Mahalakshmi also. So take the incarnations. Every incarnation of Sriman Narayana is accompanied by the goddess. And therefore, they also come with him. Whatever he does, he or she is also favorable to him. She rather imitates him also. She does what he says. She does what he does. And therefore, in fact, she is better than sometimes Lord Sriman Narayana in giving boons, in showing sympathy to many people. For example, Sita was very kind to Trijata, the daughter of Vibhishana. Vibhishana was a good demon, was a good person. His daughter also was good. She only encouraged Sita in many occasions when she was about to commit suicide, when she was about to die, when she was about to fall into what you call unfathomable sorrow. So why I say this? God protects everyone. He has no partiality. So gods and demons. There are too many demons also. 66 crores. There are castes among demons. Jati, Danuja, Danava, Rakshasa, Asura, Yatudhana. There are so many words for Rakshasa. So you have all the castes. And among gods, I don't think we have got, but we have got the hierarchy. Indra is the chief of gods. So he can bring rain without the help of Varuna. That's what he did when Govardhanagiri was lifted by the Lord Krishna. He wanted to show his power. Then he was subdued. So, Inbam Payaka. So again, so it is what you call self-pleasure. He made the consorts happy, he made the 7 worlds happy, and they also made the 7 worlds happy. They also made him happy, and he also made himself happy. Inbam Payaka. Inidudan Vitrundan. His status was a happy status. Inidudan Vitrundan. Vitrundu is actually sitting on the throne, lion throne, as a king. So he was the greatest king of the world. And he was happy to occupy the post also. And therefore, Inidudan Vitrundan. Vitrundu, all in the Engal Piram. Now, as a king, he must have a good administration, and therefore, he has been ruling over us. All in the Engal Piram. Then, Anbutru Amardu Uraihindraan. Again, when he took Archavataram, the incarnation in the temple, then he became very affectionate towards the world, including living beings and non-living beings, sentient and insentient, Chetana and Achetana. So, Anbutru Amardu, maybe he is sitting in sitting pose. Very rare is the sitting pose of the Lord. So Amarda Tirukor. Uraihindraan. He is living in flesh and blood. Divya Mangala Vigraham is there in Thiruvaranvilai. And Ani Polil Shul. It has got lot of parts. Generally Kerala Kshetra, Kerala state has got lot of flora. The vegetation is very rich, and a lot of trees and plants and creepers are there. Then we have parks and gardens and flowers and fruits. So Ani Polil Shul, Thiruvaran. Now, so what should I do? Alvar is asking. Anbut Amarnd. I must also go with affection to the temple, and I must sit there. No, we are in a hurry everywhere. We are in emergency. When we go to the temple, we don't have time. We'll come out as soon as possible. We want to have darshan very quickly, better than others, quicker than others. Then we'll come out of the temple. So, Anbut Raman, so we must show our affection. Say the stotras and namavalis, bhajans, nama sankirtanam in the temple. Amard, sit there for some time. Valam Shaidu, you go to what you call pradakshina, circumambulation, clockwise circumambulation. In Kerala, you may not be able to do that. So you will go about 3 by 4, and you will not come out in the same way. I don't know why that practice is there. Agama practice is there. But you have to go to the outer prakar, outer circumambulation. So Valam Shaidu, so go to pradakshina. And you know, scientifically, when you walk also, when you turn to your right always every time, that is a healthy habit. And if you go by walk and then go on turning left, then I think there will be a problem for health. Problem of health. So it is always a clockwise direction walking or going around the temple is recommended as scientifically for the healthy habit. So Valam says, Kai Tolum Nalhar. We must have Anjali. Kai Tolum. Many people go and see the Lord and then come out without even Anjali. Better way of worshipping is fall down on the ground and then what we call Sastanga Namaskara. But even this we forget, Anjali. So Kai Tolu. And that is why you find a lot of idols of Acharya and Alvar having Anjali in their figure. They show to us as an example that we must all have Anjali. Class நீங்க வந்தேல சரி கிளாஸ்ல இருக்கேன் அப்புறம் பேசுறேன். ஸோ கை தொழும் நாள்களும் ஆகும் கொள்ளும். So when shall I go to the temple? How long will I stay in Thiruvaranmalai? Generally, there are some opinions that if you live in a particular place for a long time, you have a lot of benefits, what you call spiritual upliftment. And therefore, how many days I will stay? And how many days I will take to go to Thiruvaranmalai? For your information, I once toured 13 Divya Kshetras and plus 2, one Abhimanam and another one Guruvayur, within 2 days. The organizer said, this is the temple, go in and come out within 5 minutes. Then what shall we do? Eating is very important. Eating our food is very important. we cannot have energy to go around the temple if you don't eat. But eating time is more than worshipping time. So some people claim that I have worshipped 106 temples twice. So what is the purpose? Can you remember at least one of them like this? Now there are 3 points we must remember. The Sthala Vriksham, what is that tree? What is the name of the Vimanam, dome? What is the name of the Lord? What is the name of the goddess? What is the name of the Pushkarini, the tank? So these are all that you must have. And further, if you are a scholar in Divya Prabandham, then you must remember the quotation from Alva. If you go to Tiruvaranvelai, you have to say this, Inbam Payakka Elmalar Madarum. So how many of us are so deep in the meditation and remembering the facts? And Dr. President Awadi V.S. Karunakaracha Swami has published a Tamil book. Sorry for Keshav Das. So he has published a Tamil book in what you call Tamil script in Sanskrit, Sankalpa. Every temple he has written a Sankalpa. What Sankalpa we must say. And he has written all the details of quotations of Alvars for each kshetra. 108. 106 are there. So 106 we can. So if you take the book along with you, and there are books now published over the kshetra and prabandha. What is the kshetra? Name of the place. What are the prabandhas connected with? You may see in the walls of the temple those prabandha quotations. Even in what we call Deva Prayaga, where Kandam Kadinagar, and on the way to Badrinath, you find the Divya Prabandha there. So have the patience to read and then come out. So here, so we'll go to B. You want the English translation? The translation is also better. Who rules us sweetly. Inbam Payakka Alhendra Piran. So connect it as that's what I think Periyavachan Pillai intends to convey. Inbam Payakka Alhendra Piran. We must like the king. We must like our president. We must like our chief minister. We must like our governor. Then only, if only he is sweet, we will like him. His administration is good. Today, a wrong person has been chosen here in our state. And the people want corruption more. That is the intention. Of course, Kali Yugam, so you are going to be worse, the situation will become worse and worse in future. But it comes so fast. The worst situation comes so fast. Everybody likes the wrong head. That means everybody wants corruption. So I want to plunder the people. I want to make the country poor. So this is a wrong intention. So that is not the way of the Lord. Inbam Payakka or into Yam Piran. You say it Yam Piran, Piran meaning a higher being. Yam Piran, just like we say Nam Perumal. He is our God. You must claim that with what you call liberty and freedom. He is our God. So Yam Piran. But if you take the what we call Bhagavad Vishayam of Nammalva's Divya Prabandham, we may have to spend years together by Zoom. So Bhagavad Vishayam. So let us take B. Already 2 years we have seen. Okay. எனக்கே ஆட்சை எக்காலத்து எக்காலத்தும் என்று என் மனக்கே வந்திடை வீடின்றி மன்னி தனக்கே ஆகவனை கொள்ளுமீதே எனக்கே கண்ணனை யான் கொள் சிறம். This is what we call liberty that I just now talked about. I want my God to myself. I want full, what we call, possession. I want to have full possession of my God. Kannan. I like Krishna incarnation. Therefore, Enakke Kannane. Last one. Enakke Kannane. I don't want to give him up for somebody else. I don't want to share. Enakke Kannane. That is my intention. Yan Kol Siram. Why? Enakke Aachai. Enakke Aachai. The Lord said, Madhyaji Mam Namaskuru. I think Keshoda Swami will add, Manmana Bhava. Manmana Bhava. Madhyaji Mam Namaskuru. Bhagavad Gita. Salute me. Prostrate before me. Always think of me. Manmana Bhava. Madhyaji. Do your all fire rituals aiming at me. Mam Namaskuru. So in the same way, what does he do? He reciprocates. Enakke aachai. You rule over me only. I am not bothered about others. Enakke aachai. If I ask you to do something, you do immediately, obediently. Vega Setu, become Vega Setu. Yathokta, become Yathoktakari. As I think you do. So don't disobey me. So Enakke Aachai. So Ekkalathum Endru. So I am giving both sides. Lord said, please serve me. Enakke Aachai. So that is what we call exclusion. What is called prapatti, surrender. So after Goptrutva Varanam, so when you choose the protector, then you don't change your opinion. You don't choose another preceptor, another protector. So Rakshishyati iti Mahavishwasa is shown in this prapatti step in Enakke Aachai. Don't serve anybody else. Mam Ekam Sharanam Raja. Mam Ekam. The only goal is me. Nobody else. Ekkalathum. All the time. 24/7. Endru. Thus, En Manakke Vandidai Veedindri Manni. As though you have no residence to live, no house to occupy. You please keep my heart, mind as your house, your own house. En Manakke Vandidai Veedindri. Vandidai. You come to my heart and don't go out. This is your own house. I will bequeath my mind as your property. So, be with me always. Manni. Tanakke yahavene kollumi. So take me into your fold. Take me into your fold. Tanakke yahavene kollumi. I belong to you. Remember the Charma Shloka of Ramavatar. Tava asmi iti cha. Tava asmi iti cha. I belong to you. Sakrideva Prapannaya Tava asmi iti cha. So he is begging. Namalvar is begging. Yachate. And Kannan is my God. Lord Krishna is my God. That is my speciality. That is my forte. That is So we'll go to C in the commentary. I think this way of dealing with the quotations also will be good. What is your opinion? I can say it at the end also. He has taken me as his own. Yes. This indeed is a blessing. My Lord resides in my heart for mercy. Serve me alone of all time. Mamekam Sharanam Vraja. So you find that in Nammalvar's this particular quote has got both Charama Shloka, Rama's Charama Shloka and Krishna's Charama Shloka, and also Prapatti step. Prapatti step. And also the fruit thereof. What is the purpose of our worshipping the Lord? He must accept us. That's it. This is a beautiful 29th. It is sung in Madhyamavati. The next one, Mangakkadal Gananda, is sung in Surati. We call it in Tamil Surutti. Surutti. Surati. Good, good tone, good noise, good sound. Surati. Chitram Chirukale Vandunai Sevitu Un Potramarai Adiye Potrum Porul Kelai Petramai Tunum Kulatil Pirandu நீ குற்றேவல் எங்களை கொள்ளாமல் போகாது இற்றை பறை கொள்வான் அன்று காண் கோவிந்தா எற்றைக்கும் ஏழிக்கும் முன்னோடு உற்றோமேயாவோம் உனக்கே நாமாட்செய்வோம். This is a particular sentence important for this commentary. Utro me yavom tava asmiti cha yachate. Utro me yavom unakke namachaivom. Krishna's Sharma Shloka. Mam ekam sharanam raja. Yes, yes sir, I will obey you. Unakke namachaivom. Now what should we do? Matrainam kamangal matrelorem pavai. This Tiruppavi must be recited twice, all the four at the end. And you will find in the 27th one, Kudare Villamsir Govinda. Here you say, Andrugan Govinda. In கரவைகள் பிஞ்சென்று காணும் சேர்ந்துன்போம் அறிவொன்றுமில்லாத ஆய்குலத்து உன்னன்னை பிறவி பிறந்தனை புண்ணியம் யாமுடையோம் குறைவொன்றுமில்லாத கோவிந்தா. This is what we say in Sankalpa. Sri Govinda 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 Asya Sri Bhagavataha. So when you keep the hand on the thigh, these two close to palms, then we say Sri Govinda, Govinda, Govinda. That's what she said in 3 Pasam. Andad, Godadevi. Beautifully quoted by Periyavachan and so on. Maybe if you're interested, anybody can read the English part of it, so that also will get recorded in the video.
O Govinda, in the wee hours of the morning, we have come to worship you and praise your golden lotus feet. Pray hear our purpose. You were born in the cowherd clan. Now you cannot refuse to accept our service to you. Know that these goods are not what we came for. Through 7 lives and forever, we would be close to you and serve you alone. And if our desires be different, you must change them.
Thank you. But in Sanskrit, in Tamil, Yeye Piravikku. It is not 7 lives. We will humorously say 7 into 7, 49 lives. It is not 49, it is infinite. It is infinite. And therefore, in all our lives, Kulashekara says in Mukundamala, Bhave Bhave Hridaya Bhavane Bhavaye Yam Bhavantam. In every life, I must remember you. Bhave Bhave will be Bhave Bhave, actually in each life. So we say, Janma Janmantarepi, also he says, Janma Janmantarepi. Whether it is this birth or some other birth. So I must remember. Therefore, this is the. So we'll go to C. Let us see the commentary first and go to the quotation. So that is more important then. So Tanakkeyaha enai kollumide. That's what we saw. Okay. So before going to see, that's why I said we will go to the previous words of the commentary. So Tanakkeyaha enai kollumide. That's what we saw in Nammalvar's Divya Prabandham. So he has accepted me. So selfishly I say, he has accepted me. So Tanakkeyaha as his own possession. That means he has to take care of his own possession. So Tanakkeyaha enai kollumide. Now, so what is the meaning? Anukula vritti devarukke anukulamaga irukku. Is there a problem in accepting me? Number one. Will there be a problem for the Lord after accepting me? There are two sides of the coin. So if we accept, if the Lord accepts the individual soul, then the individual soul should be favorable to him. So his life, the individual soul's life, will be helping him to make him happy. When Lord is showing a favor to the individual soul also should show, reciprocate, give back the same favor, and therefore affection. Affection is a favor. Then anukulama is. That means he has made a right choice. If he has made a wrong choice, then he will suffer. And therefore, there is no question of his suffering. And therefore, what he did was right. Always right. In future or present tense. He is right, he will be right, he did everything right. And therefore, Anukula vritti devarukke. Anukula, favorable. Then 25. Anucharan. We are taking the text Anucharan. Yena yena dhata gacchati. The word yena yena dhata gacchati. Dhata is creator, generally meaning creator. Who is the dhata here? Sriman Narayana. Because he guides Lord Brahma. So dhata gacchati. So you can say, for example, what our forefathers do. What our elders in the family do. We must follow them, that's all. Very simple. So yena meaning by which means by which road, path, procedure, process. The same process we must adopt. we must adopt the same procedure. So Data, you can also say our preceptor. As our preceptor does, we must follow. Data Gacchati. So we were talking about some secrets in Tattva Sampradaya Parisuddhi. Some secrets revealed to some Shishyas, disciples by some Acharyas. And that is very important. We must follow very closely the advice and the activity, the precept and example of the precept. So Data is the immediate God for us is precept. Acharya Devo Bhava. So Data, Lord Vishnu, Lord Brahma, our own preceptor. So we have a quotation in general saying in Sanskrit called Subhashitam, good saying. Panthanaha yena gataha purvaihi. What our ancestors went, which path they treaded, which path they went on. So we have to follow it. Yena gatassa panthaha. Mahatmanaha yena gatassa panthaha. That is a quotation. Great souls have crossed the path. So we must also cross that. So number 288. Etam anandamaya mahatmana upasankramya. This is the Taittiriya Upanishad. So this also I can say it in two ways. So Anandamayam Atmana. Who is that Atmanam? Atma, Paramatma. Paramatma. What should we do? We must join him. Upasankramya. Upasankramanam. Sankramanam that we have heard. The sun, Ravi Sankramanam. Today we say Vishabha Savi Sankramanam in Vaikashi Mantra. So it joins with the sun, joins with the zodiac, Rashi. So Atmanam, Paramatmanam, Upasankramya. What is the type of Atmanam? Anandamaya. Anandam. Tadanandamaya Vijnanat. When the Shishya of the sage every time comes and asks,
Yeah. Anandam Brahmeti Vajjanat Anandam.
Right. Anandam Brahmeti Vijnanat. As you know the whole process, he started saying Annam Brahmeti Vijnanat, Pranam Brahmeti Vijnanat, and so on. He came to a conclusion, Anandam Brahmeti Vijnanat. Varunam Pitaram Upasasara. He approached the father, the son approached the father again and again. He said, he advised, go and do penance again and again. Finally, he landed on Anandamayam Atma. So, Etam Anandamayam Atmanam, again, I refer to the word Bhavantam in Yamunacharya's verse in Tottaratanam as the first one. So, Etam, this. So, don't say that somebody far away. Lord is here with us. So, Anandamayam Atmanam, Upasankramya. Upa, near, Sankramya, joining. Joining, go very near. Samipyam, go near him. You cannot become one with him. That becomes Advaita. So, Upasankramya. So, we have this Taittiriya Upanishad. Then 289. Anusanchara. It is not enough that we go near the God, but also we must follow him. That's why just now when we said, Yena yena dhata gacchati, tena tena shishyaha gacchati. That we should be Second expression. Anusanchara. Wherever he wanders, for example, wherever he roams, we must follow. Don't find fault with the preceptor. Don't try to advise him. So, Anusanchara. 204. Kurushva Mam Anucharam. This is what Bhagavad Gita. Oh, sorry. This should be Bhagavad Gita. Kurushva Mam Anucharam. Maybe, sorry. The disciple, the devotee begged the Lord, make me your follower. Make me your follower. என்கிறபடியே அனுவர்த்தனத்தை உடைய நாய். This is follow up. So we have to follow up. நிரந்தரம், permanently, இடைவிடாதே இருக்கை. பிரசாந்த இத்தியாதி. Prashanta is, I said, calmed down, highly calmed down. So, Matrainam Kamangal Master. This is what we saw in Tirupavai 29. So, remove our other desires. Remove our other desires. Matrainam Kamangal. So, Kamya Karma. There are many actions, activities that we involve in, which expect something in return. Except God, make us forget else. So, தேவரை ஒழிந்த விஷயங்களில் மனோவியாபாரங்களை, our thoughts, our stray thoughts, சவாசனமாக தவிர்த்து. Even though we got it as a latent impression from the previous birth, let us forget it. Let us avoid. Kada, when? Kada is when? D. என்று கொள் கண்கள் காண்பது என்னால் D and E. என்னால் யான் உன்னை இனி வந்து கூடு. When shall I see you? When shall I see you? Parasara Bhattar was driven away, antagonized by the king, Sundara Brahmaraya, Veera Sundara Brahmaraya, the king in Srirangam. So Parasara Bhattar had to go to Tirukoshi. The king Veera Sundara Brahmarayan died young because he antagonized a very great soul. So he disobeyed Parasara Bhattar. He constructed a wall, big wall in Srirangam, in the temple, affecting the house of what you call Pillai Alvan. Pillai Alvan was a very great preceptor, and his house was demolished in order to construct a big wall. So Parasara Bhattar had to leave Srirangam for Tirukoshi, and he lived there for many days. And as soon as he heard the death of the king, he came back. When he came back on the way, he was traveling on the banks of the Kaveri river. And then he started writing both Ranganatha Stotram and Sri Rangaraja Stavam. 127 in the previous part, Purva Shatakam, and 105 in the second part, called Uttara Shatakam, the former and the latter. 127 plus 105. So before that, he wrote earlier Ranganatha Stotram. He said, Kada, 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 Kada. When. என்று கொள் கண்கள் காண்பது. When shall I see you again? என்னால் யான் உன்னை நீ வந்து கூடு. When shall I join you? Because this what you call longing, yearning was so deep that is because Lord Ranganatha reared him, brought him up as a child in the Tuli, as you know, I think you have a word in English for tuli, a cloth, generally a dhoti or even a sari, to be tied up to two posts. We have Thirumanathoon in Srirangam, Sanctum Sanctorum. In the just before the Sanctum Sanctorum, Ranganatha Sannidhi, we have what we call Thirumanathoon. The Thirumanathoon is meant for our embracing, so that we will not be carried out by the wind of beauty of the Lord. We will the tornado will remove us from the temple. Therefore, we have to tightly grip the pillar. That's called Thirumanathoon. That means we are marrying the Lord, just like Goda married Ranganatha, Andal married Ranganatha. And therefore, these C and D we will see in the Thiruvai. So we will take up the next page next.
So that we would call that Parasura Buddha was in a type of hammock cradle, a cradle.
He was in a cradle, yeah, cradle. Cradle meaning tottil, Tamil tottil. But I am talking about a cloth meant for making the child sleep.
Yeah, it's
so
like
a lullaby is sung. A lullaby is sung by mother or somebody else, or grandmother, or madam will be able to tell us.
It's like a hammock. The child lies in that you put. I know what you're talking about.
That you have in parks. You go and lie down in a what we call malay, another net. You have a net used between two trees, tied between two trees, and you lie down on the net.
Yeah, hammock.
So that is it. This
So
will give a cozy comfort to the child, that if the climate is cool, it will give warmth, and it will be like lying down in the womb of the mother. And therefore, mother will turn the child also on the left or right, so that it sleeps for a longer time. So Ranganatha himself brought him up. Therefore, Parasara Bhatta felt that he was separated from his own mother. We'll go to
what did God see? Okay, the next Prabandhas.
I think we saw already B. Okay. D and D. Sorry, D and D. Okay. Last line. Kaanbadendu kol kangare. When shall I see? What should I see? Peruman Kanai Kazha. I must see the Tandai, the leg ornament called anklets. It is different from the girls. It's a male ornament. So it also makes noise. So we also put some seeds so that it will make noise. It will be a what we call circular cylinder in silver. Circular cylinder in silver. And it has got some money, some hanging beads also. So it will make noise. So Kadariye Peruman Kalankar. Now you find very curiously in Tirupavai, in I think Ambarame Tannire, yes, Ambarame Tannire, Balarama has got the ornament, leg ornament, what they call the anklet. Why? For the service done in Rama Avatara as Lakshmana. Ambarameta Nire, Shore Anne, Emberman and the Gopala Indra, Umbanar Killam, Korunde Kulavaki, Embermati Soda, Ambaramoda to Unjor and the Umbargomane, Uranga Indra, Chambar Kadaladi Chelva Baladeva. The beauty here is he has made, he is wearing an ornament which is made up of gold. Generally, we don't use gold in. So we see the gold ornament in the leg of Balarama, Baladeva. Chambar Kadaladi Chelva Baladeva. So here, so கடல் வண்ணன் கண்ணன் விண்ணவர் கருமாணிக்கம் என தாருயிர் உடவரலின இணைக்கி கிடந்த பரஞ்சுடர் பண்டு நூற்றுவர் அடவரும் படைமங்கம் அயவற்காட்சிய வஞ்சமத்து ஐவற்காகி வஞ்சமத்து அன்று தேர் கடவிய பெருமான் நினைக்க காண்பது. Again he refers to Lord Krishna's incarnation because he was a driver to Arjuna. Ter Kadaviya Perumal. He was a driver. He was a driver to Arjuna. And when he walked to Duryodhana's place by walk, then also these anklets made noise, made sweet sound. And while driving the chariot for Arjuna, he he saw that Arjuna got onto the chariot later. The driver sat on the chariot, and again when the whole war was over, Arjuna was asked to get down. The driver did not get down. This is not actually the English manners, but they know the purpose. All the arrows sent by the enemies on the chariot were there to burn the chariot. And therefore, when Krishna was sitting, the chariot was not burning. So as soon as Krishna got down, the whole chariot got burned. That's why he saved Arjuna. So while moving the legs, the sound of the anklets was so sweet, and I want to see those anklets. Endrukul Kanum Kandan. Even the English translation missed the word victorious feet with ornament. முன்னீர் ஞானம் படைத்த முகில் வண்ணனே அந்நாள் நீ தந்த ஆக்கையின் வழி உழல்வேன் வெந்நாள் நோய் வீய வினை களைவேர் அறப்பாய்ந்து எந்நாள் ஞான் உன்னை இனி வந்து. Vedanta Deshika said, Etad Dehavasane Mam Tatpadam Prapayasayam in Nyasadashak. At the end of this human life, please make me reach your divine feet. O Lord Krishna, who has got the color of the cloud, Muhil Vannan. Munnir Jnalam Padaitha. So you have created the world, and you are having the hue of the cloud. You gave me this body, physical form. Annal nee tanda aakai is body. Vadi udalven. I will use the body in the right way, as you ordered by the injunctions of the scripture. When our no viya, so my sufferings will end, my diseases will go off. Vinay Kalaiver Arapoinde. I have got lot of activities, good and bad. I will get off the three sins, Prarabdham, Agami and Sanchitam. We will delete all our consequences of activities. Then when shall I join? When shall I join? Yes, I want you to read.
O cloud-hued Lord, you made the earth and ocean. This body you have me then drags on painfully. Oh, when will I cut my karmas by the root? When end this wretched life and join you? So Swami, I had a question about, you were mentioning about many of these Utsava Murtis they have of Alwars, they're having Anjali Mudra. But we don't see, Vedanta Deshika has not got Anjali Mudra. Is there a reason?
We must refer to Agama tradition and also the times of making the idol. I think you may see some temples Vedanta Deshika's idol in Anjali form. I'm not sure.
Yeah, but I mean, Agama Shastra is just going to say that the Alwars and the Acharyas and the Bhaktas, the Bhakta Bimbas, should have certain hand postures. And so, I mean, normally we see even Tirumangai Alwar, he's holding a spear and a shield, but still he has his hands in Anjali Mudra. So I don't know that Agama Shastra is going to prove this one way or the other. But I also had heard that there was some court case against Vedanta Deshika's Utsava Murti in Srirangam, that he cannot come outside and go to the Tirumamani Mandapam like the other acharyas and see Lord Ranganatha at the time of Vaikuntha Ekadasi because he's not doing Anjali Mudra here in Srirangam. But it may be there are other Vedanta Deshika deities that in other places that have Anjali Mudra. I don't know. So, but I think in Srirangam he has a Jnana Mudra, right? Because he's a great teacher, so he's giving, like Hayagriva, he's giving Jnana, knowledge.
But Swami, most acharyas don't have Anjali Mudra. Most acharyas I've seen don't have Anjali Mudra.
Really? Most
acharyas, they have this like Vedanta Deshika, they have this blessing posture, but I've not seen Anjali Mudras in acharya. I may be wrong. I don't know.
So Parashara Bhatta's idol has got Anjali.
Yeah.
Parashara Bhatta is also an acharya.
Even Parakal Mat Swamis, I've not seen Anjali Mudras in Parakal Mat Swami.
So Dr. Alwar was telling us that in Tenacharya Sampradaya, they don't make any acharya vigrahas after Manavalama Munigal. So Manavalama Munigal is the last one that they make, and after that they don't make acharya vigrahas. But I think in a Munitraya Sampradaya and Deshika Sampradaya, they're even other acharyas, they're making even after Vedanta Deshika, they're also making acharya vigrahas. Yes.
We are now making a Poundarika Brahmandavan Ashrama, the idol. We have, I think, I don't know whether Ahobila Mat in Pomona, New York, we have 44, 45 acharyas in idol. Even Parashara Bhatta has not only the Hamza Mudra.
Parasura Bhatta has what mudra?
Hamsa Mudra. And blessing for the knowledge. Jnana Mudra.
Oh. But do they bring his idol? Do they bring his murti in front of Ranganatha?
No. You can see
Yeah, in TV, yeah. But I think I'm not sure about this argument. This is maybe not a good argument because even Periyalvar sang Tirupalanda. This is a blessing on God. So it's possible for Alvar even to bless God because of Periyalvar did that.
Yeah, that
so,
is right. But that is right. We are not in the level of Periyar. We have to be rather humble.
Yeah, we should be. Of course, we should be humble. But great acharyas like Vedanta Deshika, I don't think we should keep them to our standard. They're above our standard.
Yeah, we must find out some from great scholars and what is the significant. But my opinion, my view, there are some at least idols, whether it is Acharya or Alvar, they have the Anjali Mudra. We must follow what is good for us. That's very important. தமிழ் திருக்குறள் மேடம் நோட்ஸ் எப்பொருள் யார் யார் வாய் கேட்பினும் அப்பொருள் மெய்ப்பொருள் காண்பது. You hear from many people and then take only the essence.
Okay, so I mean that was my only question was about the Anjali, that all the Bhakti Bimbas should have Anjali, but I don't know.
Right.
And obviously there are some Bhakti Bimbas that don't have Anjali. So you're looking for another picture example, or yeah?
Deshika, you said Swami Deshika's
Utsava.
I don't know. We don't know whether in Srirangam or it's only in so this is, as you said, having Sri Bhashya on the left hand and Chin Mudra on the right hand.
Is it Shribhasya or maybe Rahasitraya Saram? Huh?
The joke is the EVR Nayakar from which play his statue is before him, before the Rajagopuram. He is by precept. He was worshipping Lord Vinayaka at home, but he propagated atheism. So we say he has Paduka Sahasram in his hand.
Yeah, he has become a Dwarapalika for Ranganatha.
Rather, not Dwarapalaka. Dwarapalaka should be a pair. So he has Vishwakshan.
Okay, maybe. So he was there previously. They blew him up. They exploded him, and so you say there should be a pair, but there was one before that was destroyed, and now there's another one.
Yeah. So he just, whether it is Ragasya Trayasara or Srimad, maybe you are saying that he did his work, Ragasya Trayasara. And Vedanta Dejiga was so much devoted to his preceptor than his own self. Therefore, he must not be selfish to keep Ragasya Trayasara. My book is there and you must study this book. That is not the way. Okay.
So yeah, so I don't understand whether if an acharya is holding a book in his hand, whether he is teaching that book. If it's his book, he should be teaching that book, or whether he is giving that book to someone, which it is a book of another acharya, of his guru. So we don't know what book that is. We can only speculate.
No, it's only our interpretation that he
Right.
wants us to learn. That's all.
Yeah, right.
स्वादयन्निह सर्वेषाम् त्रय्यन्तार्थम् सुदुर्ग्रहम् स्तोत्रयामास योगीन्द्रः तम् वन्दे यामुनाह्वयम् नमो नमो यामुनाय यामुनाय नमो नमः नमो नमो यामुनाय यामुनाय नमो नमः यत्पदाम्भोरुहध्यान विध्वस्ताशेषकल्मषः वस्तुतामुपयातोऽहम् यामुनेयम् नमामि तम्
Srimad Krishna Samatvaya Namo Yamuna Sunave Yat Kataksha Ekalakshanam Sulabha Sridharaha Sada Namaha Yamuna Pada Abja Venubhihi Pavita Atmane Vidita Akhila Vedyaya Gurave Vidita Atmane.
कवितार्किकसिंहाय कल्याणगुणशालिने श्रीमते वेङ्कटेशाय वेदान्तगुरवे नमः।